what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. There's a goddamn bug in here. Are you kidding me? Where'd it go? I'm back from Costa Rica, as most of you know. But I was on a trip-in with Tarte. Cannot even believe that I'm saying that. Cannot even believe that I'm saying that. Truly cannot believe it. Like, it was a dream. It was absolutely amazing beyond words. And I'm so excited to share the vlog with you guys. But before we do that, I am going to share the brand new. Hold on, gotta put it back together for ya. Hold on.
Two hours later.
Good fam. Hey, we back. The brand, the new Love, Trust, and Fairy Dust Collection. This is the brand new Love, Trust, and Fairy Dust Collection from Tarte. You have 5 brushes in this collection. You have glitter. You've got a repackaged Lights, Camera, Lashes mascara. You have a beautiful eyeshadow palette and a blush. And did I mention you got glitter? Yes, 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 yes. Glitter, glitter, glitter. So this collection is absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at my goddamn face. Honey. I'm gonna swatch the palette for you guys, and then we're gonna jump into this whole tutorial to show you how I did the eyes, the lips, the little glitter on my face, the face, you know, the whole 9 yards. So let's do this. Mwah. So I know that we all want to know what this palette looks like. Well, here it is, my friends. Here it is. So it is packed full of shimmery shades. We got some matte shades in there. We have a beautiful highlighter right in the middle. It looks like a flower. Hence the hashtag flower powered that you guys saw all over my Instagram and everyone else's Instagram that was on the absolutely amazing trip. But let's swatch these for you. So first is the highlighter in the middle. We have the matte shade Gossamer. And then we have Frolic, Twinkle. Then we have Flitter. Then we have Wonder, Whimsical, Giggle, Magic, Mystical, which is absolutely beautiful. And last but not least, we have Wish. So there are all of the shades for you. I have to say that my favorites are this guy, this guy, this guy. All the shimmers are honestly my fave because they're absolutely beautiful. And all of the mattes blend super, super well. So if you're definitely like a pinky purple person, I think you would absolutely love this palette. Hi, so now that I've done the swatches for you guys, let's jump into this beautiful whimsical tutorial here, okay? Okay. Hey guys, we all jumping into this tutorial with some eyeshadow primer. I haven't been using eyeshadow primer lately. I've just been like using concealer. So if you're going out, don't do that because I've been noticing it's been creasing on me. But I'm going to prime my eyes with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance, and then I'm going to place some concealer on top just as like a base. And this is the brand newly packaged concealer from Tarte. It's their Amazonian Clay concealer, just repackaged. We're jumping into the eyes with just a cream matte shadow, also starting off as a base. And then we're using this mauve color in the crease. We are going to be doing a cut crease, which you'll see in just a second. So we're really just focusing on the crease right now. I'm using this little berry pink color or purple, whatever color you think it is. And then I'm using a deeper mauve purple color in the crease. And then I use a small brush just to really get it in there, darken it up so that you can really see this cut crease when we cut it. Now we're cutting it. I'm just using some concealer to cut the crease, and I'm going to place some really pretty shimmery shadows on top. I have this very pretty pink one from the Love, Trust, and Fairy Dust palette from Tarte, and then I'm gonna use more of the pinky red on the outer corner. I really wanted these to kind of blend into each other really well, and I love the aesthetic of 3 colors, not 2, so I used this Milk Makeup Cream shadow right in the middle to help kind of blend them together. Fixed the cut crease, added some lashes, added some eyeliner, and these lashes are from Velour. I don't remember what kind they are, but it'll be below. I then am using the Smashbox Light Primer. This is my favorite primer from Smashbox. And then the Tarte primer, which is one of their new primers. I think it's called the Timeless Primer, if I'm not mistaken. And we're just blending that all in. And then we're using the Naked Skin Foundation from Urban Decay in 4.0. I did do a review on this foundation on my last Foundation Friday, so make sure to go check that out to see my thoughts on it. But, I mean, you tell me, how's it look? How's it look, guys? So I'm just blending that all out, and then I'm going into some concealer. So I'm using the Creaseless Concealer from Tarte, just 2 of them. One was a little bit too light, so I just went in with a little bit of a darker one. And then I'm just blending that out with a Tarte Spongy. Setting it with my favorite setting powder from Cover Effects. And this really cool brush from Sigma. Like, how cool is this? This is the 4D HD Kabuki brush. Love it. I love it. Very great for the under eyes. I wish it was a little bit bigger though, like a little longer. I guess I have a big head. And then I put powder all over the rest of my face. I added some of this blush, also from the collection, Milani Baked Bronzer, because why not? By the way, you guys, most of the brushes I'm using are from the Flower Powered collection. I'm then adding some of the highlight in the center. We've got some pretty little glitters that we're gonna use, some glitter and some flowers. I really wanted this to be super creative and fun, but just remember, you can make your own. You don't have to do this. You can just wear the eye look. But I added some pearls, rhinestones, glitter, whatnot, and then I sprayed everything down with the Radiant Mist from Tarte also, and added some glitter on top, which it sticks perfectly fine. I'm using the MAC Night Moth Lip Pencil. MAC are some of my favorite lip pencils, you guys. I'm using a lot of favorites in here. I really do love how this look turned out. I was like not loving it at first because I'm just not a pink purple person. I don't know. But then I really started to love it as it went along. I'm using this M Cosmetics liquid lipstick, which turned out to be the perfect color for this look. It's called Rosewood, Vintage Rosewood. And then this Model's Own little glitter. And this was so beautiful on top of the lip and just completed the whole look. It's so cute! I love it! Leave your comments down below, you guys. Let me know what you think about this look. If you want to buy this palette, if you bought it already, let me know. Alright guys, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching me create this look. Please let me know if you are going to pick up this beautiful collection right here. Thank you, friends. Yes? Comment your thoughts down below. You can pick up this entire collection in this one big bundle right here on Tarte.com, or you can buy the pieces separately, I'm pretty sure. With that being said, I love you guys to the moon and back. Thanks so much for watching. As always, make sure to subscribe, click the notification bell, please, I beg you, and check out my other tutorials. See you soon. Bye!